Lesson number 10. Working with templates in the watchlist and linker analytical complex. When you switch between financial instruments in order to save all your analytics, indicators, drawings, objects, squares, and so on, watchlist uses template technology. This means that when you switch between financial instruments, the template is saved for the previous financial instrument, and the template is loaded for the new one that you switched to. Templates are loaded on all open charts. In lesson number 2, we first prepared the workspace and then launched watchlist and linker. Why did we do it this way? At the time of launching watchlist, since there are no templates yet, you will have launched watchlist and linker for the first time. The program creates default templates. They are applied to those financial instruments that do not have their own templates yet. This means that when you first set up your workspace, install all your indicators that you want to see on each financial instrument and launched watchlist and linker, the program created default templates. And when you switch to a new financial instrument, the default template is loaded. If you switch to a financial instrument that you already opened before, the template that was created the last time will be loaded. So right now I don't have any default templates in watchlist and terminal. I make the first run and set the indicators that I need. You can install what you need. And you should install indicators, not levels, trends, squares, or drawings, only indicators. Indicators corresponding to the trading system that you apply to each financial instrument. I will establish a watchlist and linker and will launch it. Since I don't have any templates, watchlist and linker will create default ones. And then I move on to a financial instrument, for example Apple shares. I have now applied a default template based on my indicators. If I switch to another financial instrument, this template will be saved for Apple with all these indicators and settings. All these templates can be seen in the folders of the MetaTrader terminal. Open Data Directory, MQL, Files, App Data Trading Go, Watchlist and Linker, Templates. The templates of the tools I clicked on are saved here, as well as the default templates. These templates will be applied to tools that I haven't opened yet. As you can see, I don't have Euro-Australian dollar currency pair here yet. This means that when I switch to this pair, I will load the default template, and when I switch to another pair, I will save the template for Euro-Australian dollar. Let's check it out. Euro-Australian dollar for the first, second, third, and fourth charts were successfully saved. Now I can draw all my levels, objects, apply text labels, and so on financial instruments. And this will be saved on the template for a specific currency pair. Let's go back to Euro Australian dollar. We already have the 1 Euro Australian dollar template saved there, and the default template is no longer applied. Let's go back to the previous currency pair, and as you can see, my trend has remained, my text label has remained. This is how templates work. All you need to understand is that everything is done intuitively, simply, and you don't need to bother. You can always go back to this lesson and find out what to do and how to do it. Also, Watchlist and Linker has a special menu for managing templates. And when you need to recreate a default template, you can just click the default button. That's it. Watchlist and Linker has made a new default template, and this template will have a label and a trend. This template will be applied to all financial instruments that you haven't opened yet. Also, in the Watchlist and Linker, you can delete the templates. When you click the corresponding button, you will receive a warning. Do you really want to delete all working templates? If you click OK, the folder with working templates will be completely cleared. Next, Watchlist and Linker will prompt you to create a default template. This is necessary. Click OK and you have a new default template. If you click Cancel, you will not have any default templates at all. You will switch between financial instruments and get clean charts, on which you will put your own indicators, trends, texts, and so on. Additional buttons in Watchlist and Linker allow you to create backups of your templates or delete backups. This helps if something happened to your templates. They got corrupted, or you moved them, or children accidentally clicked on something and damaged your templates. Backups of templates are made for such occasions. The first button is Delete Backup. If you click it, you will get a warning. Do you really want to delete all the templates from your backup? Click OK, and the folder is completely cleared. The Create Backup button creates a backup copy of templates. All your templates are copied, copies are placed in a separate folder, and the program does not touch them. If you need to return your working templates, just click the Restore button. There may be a situation where the folder with backups and the folder with working templates will have the same file names. You have to be careful there. When restoring from a backup folder, the templates in the working folder that have the same names as the backup ones will be changed to the ones that were in the backup folder. This information is provided in the warning. If you click Cancel, the recovery will be cancelled. Click OK. The templates will be copied from the backup folder to the working folder. If the names match, the templates from the backup have the highest priority and they will be saved, replacing the templates in the working folder. This is how the template function works. The main thing you should understand is that everything is done intuitively, and each of your templates is saved. When you click on a financial instrument again, all the levels and objects that you used on it will appear on the chart again. To close the window, click the Working with Templates button at the top of the window.